Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Holden Trax, stock reference number 5856. This shape ran from the 8th of 2014 to the 12th of 2020. It is a TJ 4-cylinder 1.4 litre turbo petrol engine backed by an auto front wheel drive transmission. Here we have our TJ 4-cylinder 1.4 litre turbo petrol engine. We have our front wheel, 17-inch rim, factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left hand mirror, left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light, tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light, right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right hand guard, no dents. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, stereo head unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, and a tidy leather steering wheel with audio cruise and phone buttons.